Alright guys, so today I have some really interesting news for you guys. Dogecoin is going to hit $1. Now I have to tell you guys, I recorded this video probably 3 times already, and for some reason every single time the clips wouldn't roll and it would just crash. So hopefully this time it works. I am kind of getting tired repeating the same thing over again, but it's fine. Make sure you guys go ahead and smash that like button because it definitely supports me. Subscribe to my channel for daily crypto videos, updates, and news, and obviously comment your thoughts down below. Now guys, I have some really interesting news for you guys that you guys probably want to hear. Number one, guys, we are talking about Dogecoin. So Dogecoin was a cryptocurrency, obviously, that started from basically nothing and has made its way, guys, all the way to 50 cents. And the craziest part about this is that it has zero utilities, it has zero real news. It's literally nothing, guys, and it's pretty much a shock. Something that started off less than a penny is now at 50 cents. But guys, today we're going to be talking about why this is going to hit over $1 plus in the next few months, and does it have the ability to go to $10+ now. You guys have to understand that we just gained a brand new market audience for Dogecoin. Obviously, I was one of the people that was totally against Dogecoin up until recently, where basically I have officially decided Dogecoin is something that has so much potential and is the future, guys. And the future is in money making more than it is actually a technology, because again, Dogecoin is a meme coin that has nothing to offer other than, being a meme coin. Now, why is Dogecoin going to hit those specific dollar range? Now, there are a few reasons, and I'll go over them very quickly because I recorded this video 3 times, so I'm going to go through very fast. This is going to be probably a short video, but number one, guys, as more people start to see Dogecoin, and as more people start to, see that Dogecoin is pretty stable, people are going to automatically trust it a lot more. And again, I'm using myself as an example, as one of the people that used to be against Dogecoin 100%. Because, I thought this is not something that you can trust. Somebody that owns it could instantly just dump a chunk of, Dogecoins, and then he'd make money, but everybody else would lose money. And so I never used to really trust this coin up until very recently, where, we started to see a nice gradual growth, and we've seen it for some time now, right? So if you're analyzing it, we've seen, the dumps, the dips, the pumps, we've seen it all, guys. So I think it's about time where people, again, investors like me, decided that, this is something that is very reliable and it isn't just a pump and dump scheme, okay, guys? So again, this is going to introduce a brand new market, especially since it's hitting, the 50 cents range, which is huge in the crypto industry, especially for a small cryptocurrency like this. Now, there are a few things that really shocked me and that really caught my attention. Number one is that Dogecoin is actually taking its market audience from other cryptocurrencies, and this is what really attracted me to Dogecoin. Every time I seen Dogecoin pump, I seen the rest of the cryptos dump, and this was actually really shocking because how is that possible? And my conclusion was people were leaving other cryptocurrencies to go into Dogecoin. Just imagine that, guys. People were leaving real investments, real, companies, cryptocurrencies with utilities, with, all of these types of things, and going to a meme coin. But obviously that meme coin has been quite successful. And I'll show you guys a little example here. A little while ago, we seen, XRP here dump, right? We seen it just crash. And this is the exact same time where if we go back to, Dogecoin, we've seen this crazy pump to 49.50, which is just crazy again, guys. So clearly people are liking and people are shifting their cryptocurrencies towards Dogecoin more than they're investing in real cryptos. So again, this is something positive, especially if you're looking to make profits from the crypto industry. This is something that shows you that people are starting to, like Dogecoin a lot more. We've also seen Dogecoin in action for quite some time, and we didn't see any crazy dumps. Like, we've seen people hold for quite some time. Not only that, with all of the negative news that has been coming out about, this very, cryptocurrency that, it's going to crash, it's not something that's reliable. We have seen it's still growing. Again, this is with so much negative news, and this kind of reminds me of XRP, where, with the SEC lawsuit and all of the negativity around it, it keeps on growing as well here, because this is actually one that I really like. But going back to Dogecoin, it is really impressive. Another really shocking thing that is shifting people towards Dogecoin, and again, these are the reasons why I definitely think it's going to hit $1 in the next few months, is Stellar. If we look at one of the very known cryptocurrencies out there that, is supposed to be one of the major ones out there, of course not in the top 5-ish, but I'm talking in maybe the top 15, Stellar right here, also known as XLM, where XLM was at 60 something the past bit. It was obviously at 50, and then it went to 60 something, and now it's back at 52. Now we are seeing Dogecoin almost going to outbeat it. If Dogecoin stays at the pace that it is, because Dogecoin, in my opinion, is one of the fastest growing, if not the fastest growing cryptocurrency out there at a speed like this, guys, it is incredible, going from less than a penny to 50 cents in only a few months. It's going to outbeat Stellar, and once that happens, people are going to decide that, again, Dogecoin is not something that you can, not pay attention to. It's carrying a lot, and I wouldn't be surprised if eventually we start to see Dogecoin carry 1 or 2% of the whole crypto industry or the crypto market. It's incredible and crazy to think about, but again, this is the reality. Dogecoin is holding a ton, and it's bringing a lot more people into the crypto industry, and this is why I don't mind seeing, seeing the price of Dogecoin go up, and this is because it means more people are going into the crypto market. Some people are switching currencies, of course, but a lot of people are going into the crypto market, which is going to overall, in the long run, increase them altogether. And so I'm really happy to see Dogecoin increasing, and I'm really happy to see any cryptocurrency increasing in general. And we have to understand as well, guys, is that with all of the brand new meme coins that are coming out that are obviously supposedly doing amazing, no meme coin is going to be Dogecoin. It's the only one, and it's the first one. It's kind of like Bitcoin. There's going to be no cryptocurrency that's going to outbeat Bitcoin for a really long time, because it's the first one. People invest in the first one. It's unique. And in this case, for meme coins, we do have Dogecoin, and nobody's going to outbeat Dogecoin for a really, really, really long time, if ever, honestly. I don't believe anybody, especially since it's kind of backed by Elon Musk in this case, right? So you're talking a billionaire, the richest guy in the world, backing a cryptocurrency that's less than 50 cents, guys. I can only imagine that it's going to increase up to, $1 or $2 in the next, $1, we'll say, in the next few months. We also have to understand that in the long run, we're going to get a lot more billionaires investing in Dogecoin. We're going to see a lot more, especially again as the price starts to rise. People are going to try and take advantage of it, and people are going to start to believe in it, especially those that haven't really trusted it. So again, these are a few reasons, and the biggest one that I want to capitalize on is exchanges. So think about it like this: right now, Dogecoin is increasing with very limited positive news, very negative news around it. It's growing with a limited audience, and when I talk about limited audience, I mean investors are not really, real investors are not really investing in this because they consider it a meme coin, not a real coin. And on top of that, it's not listed on any major exchanges. It's not on CoinSmart or Coinbase. It's not on Kraken. It's not on those major trusted exchanges that are going to bring a brand new audience to it. And this is something that I think as the price goes up, you'll get a lot of those major exchanges to start accepting it, especially with the volume that it's running at, guys. It is running at a very crazy volume right now. It's 4th place with the highest volume again. So this is crazy, and it's obviously generating a very significant market capital. So guys, I definitely believe this is one that everybody should capitalize on. Again, do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research, but definitely do research on it before you go in. But again, think about it, do your research, and then decide what you want to do. Now, personally, I'm thinking of going into it. Again, I have been very against it until recently, where, my whole opinion changed. I did some research, some more research to be more specific, and I decided that I think it's time to, put some money in it and see what happens. Obviously, this looks like it's going to continue on growing and, again, take a lot of the market from others, and I can't wait for it to surpass Stellar, only because I truly believe this is when people will officially realize that Dogecoin is no joke. It is something that is going to come out there and is going to pass by a bunch of major cryptos that people really like, and then they're going to look at Dogecoin and think about if Dogecoin beat and surpassed a cryptocurrency that we really trust, that means it's most likely going to keep on growing, and that means we have to consider it as something, right? If a major cryptocurrency's market capital gets beat by another cryptocurrency, we have a ton of news that comes out, and a lot of people start to look at it and pay attention and start to take it seriously, because it just surpassed the line where it's not a meme anymore. Dogecoin is something other than a meme. It is now a real cryptocurrency. All it needs is technology. And again, this is major for big investors, but we have to think about it. Right now, it is running purely on little momentum. If we increase the momentum, just imagine the speed is going to grow at. And this is more in for, trying to get some profits out of it more than, keeping it for 20, 30 years. We're talking about in the next few years, right? So again, think about it, do your research, and this is what I think is going to definitely do really well. If you guys would like more crypto videos on Dogecoin, smash the like button, comment your thoughts down below, and subscribe for daily crypto videos, and I'll see you next time.